OK，呢個係呢個有你話燕丸入邊啊？抑或公仔麵啊？
公仔麵啊！
你整嘅 OK？
圓圓啊嘛，
哇！你搞乜鬼啊？你係用咗我啲 carrot 嗰啲擺咗落去啊？你頭先擺咗整嗰時候，你用嗰個整咗落去啊？
剩低嗰啲咪擺埋落去咯。
Okay. I told my wife to make something, and she used my broccoli and tomato make a noodle. I tried a little bit. It's not bad. It's good. 哇！有冇落味即？有冇落嗰個 powder 啊？soup 啊
有啊。
？OK。OK。我今日食3餐，翻嚟食咗，我哋 order 咗嘢食係咪先？order 咗嘢食，又翻嚟整，又而家又整緊 noodle， 而家又飯啊，3餐。I spit out the fat. I eat the tendon inside. Inside, you see the tendon? This is muscle. 骨膠原啊！